So, you're wondering how to exactly make an appointment here at the Social Security office. Well, this depends on what you or what's the service or what type of appointment that you want to make here. Now, first things first, is you want to visit their official website. It's going to be ssa.gov. Now, in their official website here, you need to determine what service or what is your aim. Now, certain services here, you could just do this via online. You just need to basically submit certain details and IDs or documentation in order for you to make your application. But if you want to make an appointment in their office, well, it's totally doable here. How do you do it? So first things first, again, like what I said, determine what service here. Like for example, if you're applying for some benefits or signing up for Medicare here, you just need to click on the appropriate option. Now, as you can see, if you scroll down a bit here, you have appointments. Let's go and click on learn how to make an appointment. And from here, it should give you a number of services or a type of appointments here that you can make. So let's just wait for this to load up real quickly here. Now from here, you want to go and choose what type of appointment here. So let's go and choose the option for, like, for example, let's go and choose the apply for benefits option. Now, and here it should redirect you to this page here. So you need to answer a few things. So for example, we are applying for, like, for example, disability. And let's go and click on learn how to apply. Now, the application process or the appointment process here may be different depending, again, on what service. So let's go and scroll down a bit here. Now, you have the option to apply online. You just need to click on apply online here, and it should redirect you to the online form. Now, you could also apply via appointment here. So you need to call the following numbers. So it is available on most US time zones here, Mondays through Fridays around this time here. So you can call the following number. Now, also, if you're deaf or hard of hearing, you can call the following numbers here to get some instructions or you contact them. Now, also, once you submit your application, there are a few things that you may need to do here. They will review your application, and by the way, make sure to listen properly to what they will be instructing you to do here, like documentations, IDs that you'll be needing for your appointment. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.